My name is Dustin Johnson. This was my mother's home.
My name's Tom Dahlke with Dahlke Property Management.
I'm Wyatt King from RKI Insurance, and I'm here to give my full endorsement to Summit Cleaning and Restoration.
In 2017 in July, we had a house fire.
Well, we had two major water damage incidents, within like 2 weeks of each other.
When I was with the Elks Lodge, we had a major water loss that required a bunch of custom work that the insurance company didn't really want to pay for. Summit brought in the people to make the case to make sure that work was done right, to the same quality that it was before the loss, and they made my life so easy. And when you're dealing with a 400-member lodge, they tend to get angry, and so having a professional crew like Summit to help explain what's going on and make the case, it just made life so easy during a major claim. And on top of all of that, they got the work done 2 weeks ahead of schedule and saved a huge event for our lodge.
One of the real benefits to working with Summit was through our partnership, their familiarity with our building and physical plant, and having a great knowledge of all of the people that work here at the hotel. When we had a circumstance that required restoration service, the fact that we already had Summit as a partner made all the difference.
I texted her right away and I said, hey, you went through this. What do I do? I mean, I've got to clean up the water and I don't even know how to do that.
Yeah.
And so she said, hey, here's Summit's number. Here's how you can reach him. I loved him. And you guys were Johnny on the spot.
We've referred Summit to quite a few clients, but it's never been a personal situation. So I actually called the agency and I talked to Lauren here and I told her what happened. Before I got the words out, she just said, call Summit. And there's a number of restoration companies we've dealt with over time, but she didn't hesitate to give Summit a call. So I gave a call, and within an hour, you guys were out there.
They were able to come in discreetly, professionally, with intimate knowledge of the building, with intimate knowledge of the needs of our management team and our guests, quite honestly, to make sure that we were able to do the restorative work that needed to happen quickly, efficiently, on budget, ahead of time, everything that you would want in a project that you might otherwise feel like could be a little bit out of control.
Diligent and on it and fair and for me, responsiveness is a big thing, and that's what I really look for.
As a community member, I appreciate how much Summit works to educate my community, telling property owners and business owners what they can do to avoid claims, to reduce claims, even though that means less business for Summit. They really care about protecting the communities they serve, and I appreciate that. So as an agent, a claimant, and a community member, the next time you need something done, Summit is your crew.